Welcome back to another video. It is Thursday, September 9th, and I want to talk today about Algorand. Ticker symbol or trading symbol is ALGO, Algo. Algorand currently sitting at $2.23 and is up 28% over the last 24 hours or so. If we take a look here at the all-time chart for Algorand, got the coin market cap listing quite a while ago, June 24th of 2019, and you can see that it really started to kind of take off at the beginning of this year when we did see a lot of other cryptocurrencies start to pump. But really, you guys, over the course of this current week, again, heading even from last week into this week, Algorand has just been exploding. No specific catalyst as far as something from Algorand itself, but obviously there are some very big reasons why Algorand has been continuing to pump. And I definitely think this is a project that can be a long-term hold, and definitely a project, if you are not currently a holder of, to take a look at. So let's not waste any time, you guys. Let's get right into it. So Algorand, you guys, welcome to the future of finance, the future of finance. The convergence between decentralized and traditional finance models is accelerating, and we are here to power it. Our open source technology is intentionally designed to enable the simple creation of next generation financial products and disrupt economic models across industries where the exchange of value can be made more efficient, right? So the smart contract power, fast and final DeFi at scale. We're seeing this happen across so many different crypto projects. The smart contracts and how fast and how, I guess, the finality to them. DeFi is disrupting the financial landscape as we know it, expanding access and making opportunities more inclusive. With continually advancing smart contracts, a high-performing layer 1, and interoperability frameworks, Algorand is welcoming a new wave of DeFi technology designed for the future of finance. Algorand created the first proof of stake foundational blockchain designed for the future of finance. Beyond the elementary requirement of an open public network, Algorand's technology enables a set of high-performing layer 1 blockchains that provide security, scalability, and complete transaction finality, built-in privacy, co-chains, and advanced smart contracts that are essential in the future financial world. Their continuing technical innovation and development is focused on the interoperability, private and public models, performance and scale, and layer 2 smart contracts, right? So you can see Algorand's innovation at work. The Algorand Foundation, which you can see here, is dedicated to fulfilling the global promise of blockchain technology by leveraging the Algorand protocol and open source software, which is essentially designed by Silvo Macaulay and a team of leading scientists. With core beliefs in the establishment of an open and public and permissionless blockchain, the Algorand Foundation has vision for an inclusive ecosystem that provides an opportunity for everyone to harness the potential of an equitable and truly borderless economy. So the Algorand Foundation, again, is a side part of Algorand, and there's 5 key features to the Algorand blockchain, which are proof of stake, pure proof of stake, global scale, broad decentralization, a robust security, and guaranteed finality. And that's really what is separating Algorand from, I guess, their competitors, is that guaranteed finality. Okay, so the blockchain delivers on the key promise that is blockchain technology. It removes the pain, the cost created by bad processes, intermediaries, middleman fees, and artificial delays in today's economy, right? So just the pure base and just the essential reason that essentially blockchain was even created or exists are for those reasons. You know, the intermediaries, the fees, the delays, all things that we deal with in today's economy. Blockchain, you know, is here to solve that, and Algorand is definitely trying to deliver on those promises. Okay, so the Algorand protocol, Algorand standard assets, the atomic transfers, layer 1 Algorand smart contracts, and core Algorand protocol. You guys, I just need to reiterate, this project or Algorand is something that I think is going to be here for quite some time. A project that can absolutely, in my opinion, again, I'm not a financial advisor, this is not financial advice, but I definitely think Algorand here is a project to very, very much so take a look into and take very seriously. Okay, Algorand, from start to finish, absolutely incredible project. But I want to talk more specifically about why Algorand is kind of blowing up today. If we take a look at the Twitter, again, I always like to take a look at any project's Twitter. 50,000 followers on Twitter, and the massive support that they do have is very evident. But specifically, I wanted to reference this article by The Motley Fool by John Quast. I will link this article in the description below. But let's just go over it. So many cryptocurrencies are down sharply over the last 36 hours. As many of you know, a lot of the major players in crypto this specific week have been in the red, but cryptocurrency Algorand is not. As of 1:15 p.m. Eastern Time, Algorand tokens were up 43% over the last 24 hours, according to CoinMarketCap. The same source now ranks Algorand as the 20th largest cryptocurrency in the world by market cap. So like I said earlier, there's no definitive catalyst for Algorand, but the event that could explain the move is El Salvador made headlines yesterday when Bitcoin became legal tender alongside the US dollar. However, while Bitcoin stole the headlines, Algorand was also busy at work in El Salvador behind the scenes. So, if you don't know, El Salvador did in fact make Bitcoin legal tender, and a lot of people are assuming that that is the reason why Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the major players in crypto were in the red because of this. Obviously, when there's something big like this that's happened, the prices can be volatile for any crypto, but Algorand in particular has been in the green. So Coinbanks is a company trying to push blockchain adoption in Latin America, and after El Salvador voted to approve Bitcoin as legal tender, Coinbanks approached the government about adopting additional blockchain solutions like property records. Blockchain is just a database ledger. So El Salvador essentially agreed, and Coinbanks picked Algorand as the blockchain on which to build the country's infrastructure. So this is obviously behind the scenes. Hasn't been any major announcement about this happening, but Coinbanks did pick Algorand because of their blockchain and because of the efficiency and the finality of it. So El Salvador, you can see here, this is just to be transparent as possible, and John Quast, who wrote this article, does a great job here. To be clear, El Salvador didn't deploy anything on the Algorand blockchain today that would cause a spike in the price of tokens. The theory is that Algorand is that the El Salvador headlines are creating buzz among the crypto trading community. According to CoinMarketCap, trading volume for Algorand is up around 250% over the last 24 hours, and it's possible traders are simply just chasing short-term gains and believe they can find it in Algorand. But whether it's crypto or stocks, the shorter your time horizon for investing, the greater odds you're playing a greater fool game. Simply expecting to outsmart the next person who will buy your asset for a higher price without good reasoning, that's a dangerous game, one I fear many Algorand traders are playing today. But I think, I thinking the same way as John Quast here, he thinks it's much better to buy Algorand based on its long-term potential rather than hoping to make a quick trade for profit. The El Salvador's experiment does not hold promise for this particular blockchain, but it can still show it has up to the task of digitalizing legal documents in El Salvador before other countries would potentially jump on board. So I definitely think, yeah. So people are essentially saying that Algorand is kind of like a quick play here. People are trying to buy the price and then unload it on the pump. But I just really think, you guys, this is a long-term hold. I think that the things that Algorand has going on with the Algorand Foundation, their entire ecosystem, and also the Algorand wallet, which is a user-friendly way for anyone to interact with the public network, I just think that the potential and the value that they're creating now is going to be massive down the line. And again, I think just cryptocurrency, we're so early into the cryptocurrency timeline for across the whole world. So to get into a project like Algorand right now at the price of $2.25, I think is just a no-brainer for me, in my opinion. Again, this is not financial advice, but Algorand as a long-term hold definitely seems like a strong play in my opinion. So let me know in the comments how you guys feel about Algorand. Ticker symbol, trading symbol, ALGO. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, drop a like on this video, and as always, have a great day.